Ciao a tutti! Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Tuscan bruschetta. It's said to come from Tuscany, which is where my grandmother's from. Love you, nonna! In ancient Rome, they used to bring the fresh olives from their fields to the market to get them pressed, and they would try it with a little bit of fresh bread to see how good the olive oil was. So over time this has evolved and people have added different things. They said the tomato farmers used to put some tomatoes on top of some bread and have it for lunch, and it's evolved into this dish which we usually have before a meal. So it's really yummy, and just for pronunciation wise, because I've heard a lot of people in Australia saying bruschetta, which rubs me up the wrong way, but it's bruschetta. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll show you how to make it today. It's really simple, really easy, only a few steps, and it's delicious. Allora tutti, cominciamo. Let's begin. So first for the ingredients, we'll need to grab some pane, which is bread, some pomodoro, which is tomato, and pomodoro actually translates to gold apple, which is a fun fact. Then we have pepe nero, which is black pepper, sale, salt, aglio, garlic, and olio, olive oil, extra virgin if you can. Then we're going to cut the tomato into cube-sized pieces. I usually use about 2 tomatoes for about 4 slices of bread, but it just depends on how much you need and how much you want on your bread. I like to have it nice and juicy, full of tomatoes. So we're going to season the tomatoes in a bowl with some salt, sale, some pepe nero, some black pepper, some oregano, not oregano, oregano, some basilico, which is fresh basil, my favorite, some olio, again, extra virgin, and then we're going to turn on the grill to 180 degrees and put our bread in once it's heated, and we'll turn it over halfway to make sure it's nice and toasted on both sides. So next we rub the nice toasted bread with some aglio, some garlic, and once we've mixed it all together in a bowl, we can serve it on the nice garlicky bread, and then we must add fresh basil. The more basil the better. Some more olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. It just adds a little bit of sweetness. Yum! That is it. It is literally so simple, but so delicious and healthy. Is anyone else salivating? Because I am. Okay, now we need to do a taste test to see if this actually is as yummy as it looks. Taste test. Fun fact about this, we filmed this separately and I didn't realize till I edited that we did the exact same hand movements and we said the same thing. Me and my sister have been living together, and the more time we spend together, the more we just say things in unison and in sync. It's pretty funny. Buonissimo! Buonissimo! So yeah, there you have it, your bruschetta from Italy. You can make your own variation, but this is the Tuscan way of doing it, and in every place in Italy they have their own way. So find your own way and let me know what you create. Thanks guys, ciao.
That was actually really good.